In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. It's really easy to find out what type of GPU you are having on your Windows 11 device. Let's see how you can find it out. In your Windows 11 PC, right-click on the Start button at the bottom of the screen. Now click Task Manager from the menu. Now click Performance. In the last pane of the tab, click GPU. In the top right corner, information about your computer's GPU will be visible. Alternatively, here is another way to find out graphics card information. First, click Start button. Now from here, click Settings. Now click Display option. Scroll down and click Advanced Display option. Under Display Information, click Display Adapter Properties link. A pop-up will open and under Adapter tab, you will find all the information about your graphics card on Windows 11. So that is how you can check your graphics card on Windows 11 PC. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.